Welcome to Camella. Yes, I'm here at Camella Ozamiz. So today I've chosen Ella Model House for a house tour, one of Easy Home series. So let's find out its features. Let's go! So this is the living area of Ella. Perfect place for family bonding or maybe for entertainment while watching TV or maybe hanging out with friends. And so this is the dining area that can be occupied by 6 members of the family. So this is the table, this is the chairs. Here you can see a mirror with table on it. You can put your desired displays here. And then let's proceed to the kitchen area. So you can put your refrigerator here. You can wash your dishes here at your sink. We have cabinets here and over here at the top. And then for the cooking area, you can cook in this area. You can put a stove in this area. So if you're wondering where to hang your clothes after you wash them, so you can use this area, the back part of the house, this area to hang your clothes. So across the kitchen area, we have a small bedroom. This is a small room for children, one here and one over here at the top. So there's also a cabinet over there and a study table over here. You can also put designs here. So let's proceed to the next one. So there's also a master bedroom in the ground floor. And there's also a cabinet over here. You can put your clothes there. And then there's a study table over here. And also a CR for the master bedroom. There's also a general bathroom over here at the ground floor, the washing area. So let's proceed to the upstairs. In the second floor, we have a general bathroom over here, a toilet and a bathroom, and one bedroom for here. So this can be a girl's bedroom or a bedroom for your daughter. You can paint a pink wall over here and bedroom over here, and then you can put whatever design you want to be here, and then a mini closet and a study table. There's also another bedroom for separate bedroom over here. And you can also put your clothes over the cabinet there. And there's also a master bedroom on the second floor. So here it is. And a mini closet here. Also, you can put your books beside the closet area. So that's all for Ella's house tour. If you have any questions about Camella Ozamiz, we have many house models to choose from. Make sure to contact me, Sandra S. as Digital Marketing. And plus bonus, we have an ongoing land development at Lumina Ozamiz if you're also looking for an affordable house and lot. Thank you! Bye-bye!